Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the detergent dispenser in your dishwasher, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. Open the dishwasher door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread all of the screws holding the inner and outer door panels together. Note the length of each screw and its location on the inner door panel. Remove the top middle right screw last. Slide the outer door panel up to detach. Lift off the control panel, and you can fully remove the outer panel. Disconnect the wire connector from the door latch so you can rest the control panel on the floor. Release the tabs to disconnect the two wire connectors from the detergent dispenser. Next, unthread the 6 mounting screws, securing the dispenser to the inner door panel. With the screws unthreaded, you can remove the old dispenser. Install the new detergent dispenser by aligning it in the inner door panel. Then thread the 6 mounting screws to secure. Connect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals and secure the wires behind the retaining clip. Reinstall the outer door panel by first repositioning the control panel. Connect the wire connector to the door latch. Then slide the outer panel onto the inner panel, making sure the lower tabs rest behind the hinges. Replace all of the screws in the appropriate locations, starting with the long top middle right screw. Turn the power supply back on, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.